In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Wix mobile site 2026 guide. Optimizing your mobile site is essential because most visitors will experience your brand on a small screen first. The good news is that Wix gives you control without risking your desktop design. Here's how to make the mobile version polished, readable, and easy to navigate. First, understand how desktop and mobile sync. Anything you add to your desktop site, like a new section, image, or button, automatically appears on mobile. That makes building efficient. However, adjustments you make in the mobile view, such as moving elements, resizing text, or hiding content, stay on mobile only. They won't change your desktop layout. Think of mobile edits as refinements layered on top. This lets you tailor spacing, readability, and visibility for smaller screens without undoing your desktop work. Next, tidy the order of elements for a vertical scroll. Mobile users read top to bottom, so placement matters. If items overlap or feel out of order, right-click the section and choose overlapping items, then see all layers. You'll open a layers panel where you can drag elements like headings, images, or buttons up or down to change their stack order. Move a call to action above an image if it improves visibility or interaction. While you're there, adjust text alignment for narrow screens. Left aligning body copy often increases readability, and centering key headings can help them stand out. Nudge elements into place so each section feels intentional and uncluttered. If something that appears on desktop is missing on mobile, it may be hidden. Open the Hidden on Mobile panel using the eye icon on the left toolbar. If you spot a section you want, like a welcome or intro block, click Show to restore it. This is a quick fix for disappearing content and a great way to confirm what visitors actually see on phones. Now clean up layout errors. If the automatic mobile conversion created duplicates, like extra paragraphs or repeated images, delete the extras in mobile view. This won't affect desktop. Remove empty strips or unused columns that leave awkward gaps, especially above or below key sections. If your search bar or utility element is buried in a strip, detach it and attach it to the header so it's consistent and accessible as users scroll. As you refine, preview the mobile site and check a few screen sizes. Small spacing tweaks can dramatically improve flow. When everything reads clearly and the path to action is obvious, you're done. Publish your changes and enjoy a mobile site that feels fast, clean, and user-friendly.